Hello, and welcome back to Your Health Matters, your trusted source for health and wellness information. We're here to serve up the latest, most reliable insights into all things health-related. From nutrition to exercise, mental health, and more, we're committed to helping you make informed choices about your health and well-being. Today, we're taking a fascinating journey into the realm of cooking oils. We'll explore how these seemingly simple ingredients can impact your health in profound ways, so keep watching. Cooking oils are a kitchen staple, but not all oils are created equal. Take olive oil, for instance. Originating from the Mediterranean, it's a favorite in many kitchens around the world. It's versatile, great for sautéing, grilling, and even drizzling over salads. Then there's coconut oil, a tropical delight, often used in baking or frying due to its high smoke point. Moving on, we have avocado oil. Extracted from the pulp of avocados, it's a great choice for high-heat cooking thanks to its high smoke point. And finally, canola oil, which comes from the seeds of the canola plant. It's a go-to oil for many due to its light flavor and versatility. Each of these oils has a unique origin story and a special role in the kitchen. And while they all add flavor and texture to our dishes, they also offer distinct nutritional profiles. Now that we have a basic understanding of these oils, let's explore their health benefits. Each type of cooking oil boasts unique health benefits. Let's explore some of these in detail, starting with olive oil, a staple in Mediterranean cuisine. Olive oil is known for being heart-healthy. It's packed with monounsaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels and provide a dose of antioxidants. Next on the list is coconut oil. Its unique combination of fatty acids can have positive effects on your health, such as boosting fat loss and improving brain function. Additionally, coconut oil is great for digestion and can help in the absorption of other nutrients. Avocado oil, a relative newcomer to the cooking scene, is rich in monounsaturated fats, the same heart-healthy fats found in olive oil. But that's not all. Avocado oil also contains a good amount of vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. Last but not least, we have canola oil. This oil is low in saturated fats, making it a heart-friendly choice. It's also a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health. In conclusion, each cooking oil offers a unique blend of nutrients and benefits. You can use them in different ways to add variety to your meals and boost your health. Remember, moderation is key when using any oil. Too much of a good thing can still lead to excess calorie intake. Choosing the right cooking oil can contribute significantly to your health and well-being. Remember, the best cooking oil for you depends on your dietary needs and cooking habits. Olive oil, with its heart-healthy fats and antioxidants, is a fantastic choice for those looking to bolster cardiovascular wellness. Coconut oil, high in medium-chain triglycerides, may be beneficial for weight management, while avocado oil's high smoke point makes it a fantastic option for high-heat cooking without compromising nutritional value. Canola oil, a versatile all-rounder, boasts a balance of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. And let's not forget flaxseed oil, a powerhouse of plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, perfect for those on a vegetarian or vegan diet. It's crucial to remember that there's no one-size-fits-all when it comes to cooking oils. Your choice should reflect your health needs, culinary preferences, and lifestyle. Thank you for joining us on Your Health Matters. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button for more health and wellness tips. Stay healthy.